Hex cost examination. As indicated by our ongoing hex cost forecast, the worth of hex will expanded by 214.20%, coming to 19 cents by end of 2025. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the ongoing opinion is unbiased, while the apprehension and veracity file is perusing 40.28. And that implies really intense trepidation. Our hex estimate. It's hold hex at the present time. On walk 9, 2023. Practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while most certainly different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall nonpartisan feeling among hex cost forecasts. See the specific hex cost forecast beneath. You will realize the amount hex is truly worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the very most recent 30 days, hex has expanded by 23.67%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, which really is genuinely huge. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of hex expanded by 111.60% and came to approach around 12 cents, which is very huge. Presently, all markers are demonstrating nonpartisan zone, and the apprehension and eagerness file basically shows 40.28, kind of intense feelings of dread. As indicated by our conjecture, this sort of isn't the perfect opportunity to hold hex. As a matter of fact, presently, hex by and large is exchanging underneath the 200, sort of straightforward moving commonly normal. For the especially most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a hex holding signal, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The cost of hex generally is at present running beneath the 50-day truly straightforward moving extremely normal SMA, and it shows a purchase signal in an unpretentious manner. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.0359 toward the finish of December in an unobtrusive manner. By December 2023-2024, Hex's transient 50-day SMA certainly shows a $0.0469, which is genuinely critical. The overall strength list, RSI energy oscillator, basically is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital currency for the most part is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, which in every practical sense, is very huge. RSI is presently at Ursivalu, or so they thought. This shows that the hex market is in an unbiased position. Hex value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, hex came to $0.0283, when it essentially dipped under $0.0177. Interestingly, since January 2021, as per the financial backers and market trades, hex for the most part is headed to passing the 12 cents mark before the current year's over. Before 12 cents, it might break its sign of 56 cents and arrive at in an unobtrusive manner. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, hex will break its past all-time in every practical sense high of 56 cents and hold somewhere in the range of 11 cents and 12 cents soon. At this point, on 9 walk 2023, hex generally is exchanging at $0.0548, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 16.13 m, and it really makes number 201 money in every practical sense entire crypto world. Or so they thought. Hex value forecast 2024. There is plausible that hex can, in a real sense, get through the 14 cents hindrance and essentially hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The kind of the least hex cost will be between 12 cents to 14 cents, and the most essentially reasonable hex cost will by and large be especially consistent at around 14 cents toward the finish of 2024. Despite hex's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its earth disagreeable energy use, very rich person adventure, especially entrepreneur Tim Draper, is adhering to his expectation that hex will in a real sense reach 14 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Hex value expectation 2025. By 2024, market examiners and specialists foresee that hex will begin the year at 16 cents and exchange around 19 cents. As indicated by their expectations, this would generally be incredibly high contrasted with sort of a year ago. This truly is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin, in an unobtrusive manner. Hex value expectation 2026. There for the most part is a decent opportunity that hex 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not in every practical sense arrive at its normal greatest 25 cents level. Hex explicitly is anticipated to for the most part arrive at an unequaled exceptionally high of 25 cents or 25 cents in 2026, and it very well may be the extended period of Hex. Hex value expectation 2027 Hex value forecast, or Hex, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it has the extremely potential to accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap in an unpretentious manner. Hex's cost in a real sense is supposed to outperform 25 cents in 2027. It has been anticipated that Hex will arrive at the greatest cost of 25 cents, and the base cost is supposed to be around 21 cents in every practical sense, next a long time from 2027. Hex gauge 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee say that Hex value expectation and specialized examination, Hex, is supposed to cross a value level of 27 cents in 2028. In the meantime, Hex is supposed to especially arrive at a for the most part least cost of 26 cents this year. The greatest cost may explicitly reach 29 cents, which sort of is very huge. Hex value expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The Hex value forecast and specialized investigation especially anticipate that the expense of Hex will reach 39 cents, and the cost of Hex ought to reach 39 cents before the year is over. What's more, Hex can really reach up to 37 cents in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring critical years for Hex development. In a significant manner, Hex value expectation 2030 of every 2030, Hex value expectation are supposed to especially cross the 57 cents normal cost level, as indicated by Hex figure and specialized examination, which really is very critical. Toward the finish of 2030, Hex's fundamentally least cost is supposed to be 53 cents, which is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Hex can arrive at a greatest value level of 57 cents, which is very critical. Toward the finish of 2030, Hex will basically have a typical cost of 57 cents in an unpretentious manner. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Hex value forecast 2031 Hex cost basically is assessed to reach 75 cents by 2031, at exceptionally least in a significant way, with an especially normal exchanging cost of 78 cents all through 2031. Hex's worth could come to 78 cents at its most noteworthy, which explicitly is very huge. The experts anticipate that the by and large most extreme cost should fundamentally be exchanging around 78 cents. In an unobtrusive manner, Hex conjecture 2032 out of 2032. Hex will attempt to in a real sense arrive at the in a real sense, the most reduced degree of $1.03. It might attempt to get the genuinely most extreme in essentially next top level of $1.07, with the very normal figure cost of $1.06. In spite of mainstream thinking, it might break the past H. What will especially be the most minimal cost of Hex in future, which is genuinely critical, up to 12 cents United States dollars. What will truly be the most exorbitant cost of Hex in future, up to $1.07 United States dollars.